Hi guys, today we are going to get access this video relevant to English grammar tenses. Tenses is a major part in English grammar, major concept. So we will discuss the tenses and the types of tenses. Tenses is nothing but a word that indicates the state or action or of an event. That indicates the time and state of an action or event. So there are majorly three types of tense: present tense, past tense and future tense. So we will check with an example. So present simple, I take an example. I play tennis. Present simple tense, I play tennis. Present perfect tense, I have played tennis. Present continuous tense, I am playing tennis. Past simple, I played tennis. Past perfect, I had played tennis. Past continuous, I was playing tennis. Future simple, I will play tennis. Future perfect, I will have played tennis. Future continuous, I will be playing tennis. Present perfect continuous tense, I have been playing tennis. Past perfect continuous tense, I have been playing tennis. Future perfect continuous, I will have been playing tennis. Present. Now we will move to present simple with an example. Right. Verb that refers to an action or event in a present tense within the time. So I speak the truth, which includes subject plus verb, present V1. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Work, works. Lie, lies. Play, plays. Go, goes. Eat, eats. Drink, drinks. So, example, I drink coffee every morning. Kathy works as a teacher. Sean goes to beach on Sundays. Here I drink, works and goes we consider as a present simple tenses. And present perfect tense, which includes subject plus have or has plus verb past participle V3. I, you, we, they. Have, he, she, it, has. Example, I have taught English to many students. I have finished my homework. Amrita has lost his glasses. Here I have taught and I have finished my homework. Has lost. We consider this as present perfect. And present perfect continuous tenses, which include subject, have, has been, verb ing. Action stated in the past and are willing to continue. I have been waiting to see doctors past 2 hours. Here, I have been waiting we consider as present perfect continuous. And past simple tense, verb that refers to an action or event in the past. I speak the truth. I spoke the truth. I speak the truth. So, subject plus verb past version. I played the soccer with my friends last Saturday. So here played we consider this as a past simple. So give, gave, given. Build, built, build. Came, come. Eat, ate, eaten. Go, went, gone. So now we move to another topic. Past perfect. Subject had plus verb plus V3. Example. Lenin we got the theatre. When we go to the theatre, the movie had started. Here go to the and had started we consider as past perfect. And past continuous tense, which includes subject, was, were plus verb ing. Unfinished ongoing action in the past. So example, I, he, she, it was. You, we, they were. Example, it was raining when Priya left for work. Here we consider left raining as an past continuous tense. Past perfect continuous, subject plus had been, verb ing. I felt really tired because I had been driving all the day. I had been driving, I felt really. We consider this as past perfect continuous tense. Now we move to another thing, future simple tense, which includes subject, am, is or verb ing. I am having lunch with my parents on Saturday. We consider this as future simple. And future perfect tenses, completed action in the future. Subject plus will have, verb past participle V3. So example, by 5 p.m. we will have painted the living room. Will have painted, we consider this as future perfect continuous tense. And future continuous, subject will be via verb ing, ongoing action in the future. At 11 a.m. tomorrow, I will be driving to Portland. I will be driving, we consider as future continuous. This is how the types of tenses has been involved in English grammar. Thank you.